Hey guys, welcome to Guide Glimpse again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own AI avatar or you can say clone. So, generating your own clone is very easy. You can literally generate that within 2 minutes. What you have to do is open your browser, search there HeyGen AI. Once you search, click here on HeyGen AI video avatar, and here you will find this option sign up with Google. So if you are using this first time, then you will have to sign up with Google, or you can also sign up with your mobile number, or if you are using Apple device, you can even log in with it. Then you will have to go further, like get started for free. Then this type of interface will appear. So what you have to do here is you'll find here four options like generate a video from a prompt, make an avatar video from a photo, and create your AI avatar. So if you have to create your AI avatar, then you have to click here on the third option. Now here you will find these two options like create a new avatar and create a virtual character. So you can start with an image and bring it to life with unique motion and voice. If you upload your image, then it will generate virtual character of yours. And if you want to create your clone or the person you want should be look like exactly you, that should not be look like AI generated, then you have to click here on clone a real person. Click on this. Currently, my device is not authorized to upload data, but no problem at all, guys. You can simply upload a footage from here. You can upload directly from your device. Like you can click here, upload video footage, and you will be entered into your gallery or your files. From there, you can get images or videos that you have to upload here. So, just an example. Here you can see tips for better uploads. So if you want a better quality or real your AI character, then you have to record your 15 seconds of speaking expressively. Then use natural expressions and gestures. Pause between sentences. Choose a quiet, well-lit space. So you should be speak like a real human. It should not look like that you just have to recording. You are supposed to record video. That's why I am making that visuals look so energetic. You have to be just a normal person or normal human being. So it will capture your all expressions and it will reflect to your character when it forms. So this type or this way you can actually generate your AI clone. Like let's see this video how this girl speaks. It is not
Want
opening.
to create an
Okay, yeah.
instant or
See ya.
lifestyle avatar with HeyGen? Here's how to film it right. Choose a background that is quiet and well lit.
See ya.
Depending on what
This
equipment you
way
have
you can
available, you can
actually
shoot your
start
avatar with a
creating
professional camera, a
your
webcam, or your phone.
AI
For a
clone.
camera, we recommend
Make
an
sure
aspect
that
ratio of either
your
16 by
camera
9
is good
horizontal or 9
so
by
that
16
all the
vertical.
tiny
For the
spots
best
of your
results, record
face
in 4K
and
30
the moles will
FPS,
be
but high
visible. Like here you
definition
can see
1920
they
by
are
1080
recording
is
that
also
girl's video
acceptable.
in
For
4K.
smartphone recordings, you can set your
So
resolution to
every
4K or
detail will be captured.
1080p. Keynote: HDR must be
So
turned
yeah,
off in
this
camera
way you can
settings.
actually upload
If not,
and that way your AI clone will be ready. But yeah, obviously it is not free, guys. You will need to buy an upgrade. So yeah, here you can see in the free plan you get custom digital twin, access to Avatar 4, access to all models. So yeah, you are getting Avatar 4 here. Avatar 4, let's see what you get. Yeah, you are not getting this in free plan, but you are getting this Avatar which you can create from images. So yeah, this way you can start your cloning. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you.